In today's video, we're going to be making this free-floating ADA cabinet.
So a lot of times what I do, instead of actually measuring this with a tape or even listening to these, what I do is actually cut a piece of scrap exactly to what I want and set the stop to that. Just seems to be a lot more accurate. Trying to fumble around a tape and measure to the blade perfectly is normally really kind of a pain. So that's how I set up my stops. Okay, so I've got everything built. This is the 24-incher. Everything's ready to glue up. I'm going to glue it up, touch up some of the edges with the primer to kind of get the MDF starting to soak it up. Normally takes about 2 coats with this shellac primer. So I'm going to hit the edges tonight, let it dry up overnight, and let's start the hyperlapse now.